Hello, welcome. This moment belongs to both of you. Take a slow breath in, gently, fully, and release it without force. Again, inhale calm, exhale tension. Allow your shoulders to soften. Allow your jaw to loosen. Allow your mind to stop trying to solve anything. Right now, there is nothing to fix, nothing to defend, nothing to prove. Only connection. Feel your partner beside you or in your mind, not as a problem, not as a role, but simply as another human being, breathing, feeling, hoping. Let that awareness settle. Now imagine a soft light between both of you. Not dramatic, not overwhelming, just steady, warm, alive. This light represents understanding. It grows whenever listening replaces reacting. It brightens whenever patience replaces assumption. Notice how it feels to visualize this light. You do not have to force closeness. Connection grows naturally when safety is present. So together now, create safety. Quietly say inside your mind, I choose openness over defense. I choose curiosity over judgment. I choose us over ego. Let those intentions breathe. Relationships are not built on perfection. They are built on repair. Every misunderstanding, every disagreement is simply information asking to be understood. Imagine tension dissolving from past conversations. Words that once hurt now soften because you are seeing each other more clearly. Not enemies, not opponents, partners learning together. Stay with that thought. Now gently reflect. Your partner carries unseen pressures, unspoken fears, private hopes they may not always know how to express. And so do you. Recognizing this changes everything. Compassion begins where assumptions end. Feel compassion moving between you like a quiet current. Steady, supportive, real. Take another slow breath. As you breathe in, imagine drawing strength from the relationship. As you breathe out, imagine giving strength back. Receive, give, receive, give. Connection is not one direction. It flows both ways. There is balance here. Now visualize a shared future moment. Nothing extravagant. Maybe a peaceful morning together, a simple laugh, a feeling of calm partnership. Notice how attainable that feels, because strong relationships are rarely built on grand gestures. They grow from daily kindness, consistent presence, gentle respect. Let this realization settle deeply. If tension exists between you, acknowledge it without fear. Tension does not mean failure. Often it means two people care enough to keep trying. Silently offer forgiveness where needed, not because everything was perfect, but because peace matters more than pride. Forgiveness creates emotional oxygen, and oxygen allows love to breathe again. Now bring attention back to your breathing. Slow inhale, gentle exhale. Feel grounded, feel connected, feel capable. Because healthy love is not accidental, it is cultivated, and you are cultivating it right now. Before we finish, set one shared intention to grow together, not apart, to listen before reacting, to protect this bond with patience. Let those intentions root quietly inside both of you. Take one final deep breath together. Notice calm, notice presence, notice connection. Carry this feeling beyond this moment into conversations, decisions, everyday life. Because true intimacy is not created in dramatic moments. It is built in small conscious choices, and you are capable of those choices. Thank you for allowing this pause, for choosing connection, for nurturing something meaningful. And whenever you need grounding again, you now know the way back. Slow breath, open mind, gentle heart,